yawning. Ooh, you're yawning. Ooh, no, I'm coughing. Oh, it's okay, baby. Just a cough. It's okay.
Hola, Samuelito.
Oh, baby boy. I coughed and I scared myself. Just a little one. I love to look at my monkey. Do I ruin this moment by changing his diaper?
Let it be just for a second.
Okay. Oh.
Hola,
What's
Samuelito.
the baby see? What's the baby see? Wow. Look at all this stuff.
You just have that little worry look.
A little bit. What's going to happen? Okay, baby boy. It's from the monkey. Ooh, you've seen him before. You just didn't see everybody at once.
Hey.
And I was looking at the phone. Oh, my baby.
No, he's fixed on...
He's on a sailboat now.
Now, sailboat, yeah.
Good baby. Oh. Whoa. Look at the eyebrow raise. Baby. Oh, nice. Are you looking at me? Oh. Good baby. Good baby. Oh, my love.
Should we try it again?
Now the monkey's moving. Oh. Oh, the music? Oh boy, he got scared last time. I don't know. You think? Do you want to see the move?
Just a quickie.
Okay, wait for a second.
Here, man. Can you hold it with your one hand?
Just a little. That's a nice super fun. Oh, I'm yawning. Oh, you bored. Oh, I'm bored. Okay. You bored? Is the baby bored? Yes, I'm bored. You are the sweetest baby.
Poor guy, going through withdrawals and new stuff.
Baby boy.
Samuelito. Mijito.
Oh, wow. Wow. What's all this? Who are all my friends? Do you think we're overwhelming him? He's freaking out now.
What's he focused on now?
I think the whale. Oh no, he's back on the monkey. You love your monkey. Yeah. So I'm going to get this breathing tube out of my mouth. Aren't you, baby boy? I don't like it anymore. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you little young.
Yeah.
Oh, cosita.
Oh, baby. See, I smiled earlier when I was dreaming. Mama, oh, moving. Oh. I mean, this kid is cute. Oh, friend. I see all my friends. Look at all my friends. They gave me a terrible haircut, but it's going back, and I'm so cute. I'm so cute. This is on my chin. You get in the way.
Samuelito. Hola, cosita.
Oh.
Mhm. Hola. Oh.
I just hate this tape in his tooth. We're gonna get him out. I'm gonna get it out.
Is this their personal blanket?
He's so sweet. The baby's tired. He's sleepy.
Huh?
What is this? So tight? It's okay, baby boy. Still see your monkey, huh? Oh. Oh. It's so long, baby.
What is?
The video.
Oh, I know. Well, so what?
It's okay.
Change your diaper. Your diaper show.
Don't change the lights now. Don't freak out. It's okay. Okay? Just gonna slip it over here. Let the baby eat it. So that it's okay.